Now, I recently discovered a really cool feature on this, and I really want to share it with you, so that's why I'm making this video. Stick to the end to see what happens with this controller that the FBI should be coming after me for. That was a joke. That was a joke. So first you want to power it on by clicking this button and then holding it the second time, and it is turning on. I will get back to you. Now that I'm in the home screen, you want to go to Profile, and I don't know if you can see that, but okay, that's all my logged hours. And then you want to go to the DJI forum on your controller, and right on here, so there's all these YouTube videos, and this is actually a browser, and I never knew this, but here you can wait for it to load. You can play the video, and right down here just click this little YouTube button and it takes you to YouTube. So yeah, then you can watch all this stuff. Oops. Yeah. Comment what we should watch on this.